you guys, Carmen here. I am your host of the Myo Minute. I'm super happy you're here, and today I'm going to be talking about that pesky tongue thrust. So what is a tongue thrust, right? I'm going to give you a simple explanation. A tongue thrust is an incorrect swallow. It has a few different names, but really what it means is that the tongue movement or function during the swallow is not correct. The correct tongue movement is like a wave, with the tongue actively moving during the swallow without pushing forward, down, or laterally. Now, what is most concerning about a tongue thrust is not so much about the thrust itself, but what is lurking beneath the surface and causing that incorrect movement. Now, as a myofunctional therapist, the thrust is a symptom that I work with, but it is not the problem. Now, many people, especially orthodontists who are behind in their understanding of myofunctional therapy, many of those orthodontists think that myofunctional therapy is tongue thrust therapy. But I really think a better explanation would be that myofunctional therapy is oral rest posture therapy, and then followed by the restoration of the normal oral function. Now, the reason that I call out orthodontists is because I have a lot of clients who are sent to me after years and years of failed orthodontic treatment, and the orthodontist is frustrated and wants me to fix the tongue thrust. But what that orthodontist is missing in the treatment of that person is understanding why there is a thrust. A tongue thrust is an adaptation. It's a compensation. It's not the problem, it's a symptom. And very often people come to me and they've had habit correction appliances, and these do not work because it's a Band-Aid on a bullet wound. The appliance does not address the much more important concern of that oral resting posture, and it's not just the tongue. So, if you're watching this episode and I'm talking to you, you feel this in your heart and your brain, then I encourage you to look below the surface and find that person who's going to help you uncover the bigger issues, okay? A myofunctional therapist will help you do that. Now, where you are watching this video, I will make sure and share some resources with you so that you can learn more. Thanks for watching this episode of the Myo Minute, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye for now.